So let's explore the reasons behind the digestive advantage of cooked vegetables over raw salads. 1. Enhanced nutrient availability. Cooking vegetables can enhance the bioavailability of certain nutrients, making them easier for the body to absorb. Heat breaks down the cell walls of plants and releases valuable nutrients such as lycopenes in tomatoes and beta-carotene in carrots. These nutrients are fat-soluble, meaning that they require some form of fat for optimal absorption. Cooking vegetables with a small amount of healthy fats can further enhance the absorption of these essential nutrients. 2. Improved digestibility. The process of cooking partially breaks down the complex carbohydrates present in vegetables, making them easier for the digestive system to handle. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with sensitive digestive systems or those prone to bloating or gas. Additionally, cooking can neutralize certain compounds that may interfere with nutrient absorption, such as oxalates, which is found in raw vegetables. 3, and I think this is one of the more important things, cooking vegetables reduces the chances of anti-nutrients. Raw vegetables, especially when consumed in large quantities, can contain anti-nutrients, compounds that interfere with the absorption of minerals such as calcium, iron, and zinc. Kale is definitely prone to this. Cooking neutralizes or reduces these levels, making the minerals more readily available for absorption. This is particularly important for individuals who rely heavily on plant-based diets, as it helps optimize your nutrient intake. 4. Increased palatability. Cooking vegetables often enhance their flavor, texture, and overall taste, making them more enjoyable to eat. This can lead to a much greater consumption of vegetables and promotes a diverse and balanced diet for you. Improved palatability may also encourage individuals to explore a wider variety of vegetables, ensuring that they receive more nutrients. 5. Gastrointestinal support and comfort. While raw salads are rich in fiber, they can be extremely challenging for many individuals to digest, potentially leading to bloating and discomfort. Cooking vegetables can help break down the fibers, making them easier on the digestive system. This is especially relevant for people with certain digestive conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, who may find relief from symptoms by opting for cooked vegetables over raw vegetables. Ultimately, the choice between raw and cooked vegetables should be based on individual preferences, dietary needs, and digestive tolerance. If you need assistance with figuring out gut health and increasing bioavailability from food, always feel free to reach out. We will be happy to help. It is very rare for me to eat a raw salad, but in our home, we consume a lot more vegetables than the recommended daily serving. Here in the clinic, I highly recommend that people stop eating salads and start cooking their vegetables. And yes, you can cook lettuce and cucumber and they taste amazing. There is a growing body of evidence supporting the idea that cooked vegetables may be more bioavailable and gentler on the digestive system.